If you love to carry the street style, then my friend, beanie is one of the most important thing from this winter to spring. Beanie comes in three types. First, cuffed beanie, second, cuffless beanie, and third, slouched beanie. I think you know who is MC Square. Those who don't know, I will tell you. MC Square is the winner of MTV Hustle 2.0. He wore the cuffed beanie in all his performances. And also, the Krishna, I mean the KR dollar sign, he also wore the cuffed beanie in his Overdrive song.
पर कभी नहीं झुकता मैं चाहे स्पिट करूं अंग्रेजी लौंडा मैं देसी बदल दी सारी ये game why they be talking all crazy then they all crazy ask them to back up the claims boy I was born in the 80s jealous some babies that be all playing with flames find me in front of you.
So if you are a hip hop or DHH fan, then go and buy the cuffed beanie. And there is some myths which comes to my DM and comments that wearing beanie can harmful for your scalp health. It will increases your dandruff, skin inflammation and itching. Bro, this is totally a myth. Go ahead and wear those beanie without having to worry about it.